This video is a brief introduction to the new Human Resources application ICHR Cloud, which will be used by all Ithaca College employees. This system is used to update and access your personal information, search the employee directory, and access your compensation info. Eventually, ICHR Cloud will be used for all HR purposes, including but not limited to time cards, pay slips, benefits, and all other functions currently found in Parnassus for HR. Access ICHR Cloud via apps.ithaca.edu by clicking in the top right tile. Sign in using your NetPass username and password. You will be prompted for your Duo multi-factor authentication. This is the main page. It may seem like a lot to take in with all the links and icons to choose from, but we'll only be using a few basic functions for now, which we'll walk through here. Most of what you can do now can be found in your apps, under personal information and directory, or by clicking the drop-down in the top right corner and selecting Set Preferences. We'll keep you notified and help guide you through any new functions as they become available. Let's start with your personal information. As you might expect, this app contains several pieces of information about you. Click on any of the tiles shown here to view and edit your personal information. Personal Details contains basic identifying info such as your name, date of birth, and marital status. Any sections that you can edit will have this pencil icon on the right side of the screen. Click the icon to make changes. You may need to indicate an effective starting date for the changes you make. This date, along with any other required fields, will be marked with an asterisk. Some fields, such as date of birth and social security number, cannot be edited. These can only be managed by HR. Click Submit to complete any changes or Cancel to discard them. To go back to the previous screen, use the arrow in the top left corner of the page. Make sure that you do not use your browser's back button, as it may cause an error or take you to the wrong page. Managing family and emergency contacts is fairly self-explanatory. Click on each person's name to verify that their information is correct and make any necessary updates. You can add contacts using the Add button on the right. One thing you'll want to make note of here is that Ithaca College faculty, staff, and retirees can be added as contacts, but to do this, you should use the Select a Coworker as a Contact option. Otherwise, you can use Create a New Contact. Contact information contains your phone numbers, mailing addresses, and email addresses. If you have multiple entries for any of these, the primary option is indicated on the left by this blue check mark. You can select a primary by checking the primary box when adding or editing a record. Phone numbers require a country code. US numbers require a 3-digit area code and 7-digit number. Identification info contains driver's license, passport, visa, and citizenship data, which employees can update. Employment and compensation info can be viewed but not updated by an employee. Be sure to go through all of your personal info pages and check that everything is accurate and complete. To return to the home page at any time, click the IC logo here or the house icon here. The Directory app allows you to view organizational charts and find searchable information on college employees. Use the search bar to look for other IC employees. Clicking on a person's name will show you their searchable information, including their work phone, email, and office location. Clicking on this chart icon next to the person's name will show you a chart of their organization. At the top of this screen is a breadcrumb trail showing the manager's manager, that person's manager, and so on. Going back to the Directory app, you can view your own organizational chart here or select My Public Info to see what information of yours is visible to other IC employees. Preferences can be found under the drop-down in the top right corner. Here you can upload your photo or access a handful of other configurable settings, including regional settings, the way dates and times are displayed. Because ICHR Cloud contains sensitive personal information, please remember to sign out when you are finished working. The option to sign out is found under the top right dropdown. You will need to click Confirm and close your browser window in order to sign out completely. That's all we have to cover for now. You will receive updates in the coming months as we add more features to the ICHR Cloud platform. In the meantime, make sure all of your personal information is accurate and up to date. And if you have any questions or input on the new system, contact Human Resources at extension 4-8000 or humanresources@ithaca.edu.